Welcome back to E-Club. You know what's funny? We call it small talk, but there's nothing small about it. Those few moments of casual conversation before a meeting, in an elevator or at a networking event can literally change your career. I've seen people get job offers, business partnerships, and lifelong friendships all because they knew how to start a conversation. Today, I'm going to teach you the art of small talk that actually leads somewhere. The secret to great small talk is making observations about your shared environment. You are both experiencing the same moment, so comment on it. This coffee smells amazing. Have you tried it before? Or, what an interesting presentation that was. You are not asking personal questions right away. You are just acknowledging what's happening around you. Here's something I love doing: giving genuine compliments about things people have control over. Don't comment on someone's appearance, but you can absolutely say, "I really enjoyed your insights during the meeting," or "Your presentation style is very engaging." People remember how you make them feel, and a sincere compliment makes them feel good. Now, the magic happens when you ask open-ended questions. Instead of, "Did you like the conference?" which gets you a yes or no answer, try, "How are you finding the conference so far?" Suddenly, they can tell you about the sessions they enjoyed, the people they met, or the ideas they are excited about. Let me share some of my go-to conversation starters for different situations. At networking events, I love asking, "What brings you to this event?" It's so much better than, "What do you do?" because it opens up a story. At the office, "How's your project coming along?" shows you are interested in their work without being nosy. The key is to listen to their answer and ask follow-up questions. If someone says they are working on a marketing campaign, don't just nod and change the subject. Ask, "What's the most challenging part?" Or, "What's been the most surprising thing you've learned?" And here's something most people don't realize. A small talk isn't just about asking questions. Share something about yourself too. If they mention they are from Chicago, you might say, "Oh, I visited Chicago last year for a conference. The architecture tour was incredible." Now, you are having a real conversation, not conducting an interview. Different situations call for different approaches. In professional settings, keep it work-related, but friendly. At social events, you can be more personal. The key is reading the room and matching the energy. If everyone is talking about the event, join that conversation. If it's a more intimate gathering, you can ask about hobbies or weekend plans. Remember, small talk is just the beginning of bigger conversations. The goal isn't to become best friends in 5 minutes. It's to create a connection that might lead to something meaningful later. Practice these starters this week and let me know which one works best for you. What's your biggest small talk challenge? Share it in the comments.